Hey there, future math whizzes! Today I'm going to make fractions your new best friend, that's right. Understanding and calculating fractions is easier than you think. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First up, what exactly is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole. Imagine you have a delicious pizza divided into 8 slices. If you eat 3 slices, you've eaten 3 out of the 8 slices, or 3/8 of the pizza. Simple, right? Fractions have 2 parts. The top number is the numerator, which tells you how many parts you have. The bottom number is the denominator, which tells you how many equal parts the whole is divided into. For example, in 3/8, 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Now let's talk about equivalent fractions. These are different fractions that represent the same value. Imagine cutting that same pizza into 16 slices instead of 8. If you eat 6 slices, you've eaten 6/16, which is the same as 3/8. Both represent the same amount of pizza. Next, how do we add fractions? First, make sure the denominators are the same. If they're not, you'll need to find a common denominator. Let's add 1/4 and 1/2. Convert 1/2 to 2/4. Now you have 1/4 plus 2/4, which equals 3/4. Easy peasy. Subtracting fractions works the same way. Say you have 3/4 and you want to subtract 1/4. The common denominator is already there, so just subtract the numerators. 3 minus 1 equals 2. That leaves you with 2/4, which you can simplify to 1/2. Multiplying fractions is a piece of cake. Multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. For example, 1/2 times 1/3, 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6. So 1/2 times 1/3 equals 1/6. Dividing fractions is like flipping and multiplying. To divide by a fraction, multiply by its reciprocal. For example, 1/2 divided by 1/3 is the same as 1/2 times 3/1. That gives you 3/2 or 1/2, and there you have it. Fractions made easy. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep working on those fractions and soon you'll be a fraction master. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Remember, fractions are all around us. From cooking recipes to dividing up chores, they play a crucial role in our daily lives. So, the more you practice, the more you'll see how useful they can be. Keep up the great work, and don't be afraid to ask questions if you get stuck. Math is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to mastering it. Happy fraction learning!